While working on Excel, it is very common to see some duplicate values. This may be due to people making mistakes or importing from other files multiple times. In this example, we would like to remove all duplicate sets from this table. First of all, select all we would like to check. Then go to the Data tab, find and select this Remove Duplicates icon from the menu. In this case, it defaults to all 4 headings in the title, including submittal package, submittal number, submittal title, and the revision number. If we check all 4 match and click OK, it says 2 duplicate values found and removed. 11 unique values remain. Hit OK, so we can see 2 rows have been removed. Now let's do this again. Select all. Click on this Remove Duplicates icon. But this time, let's just select the duplicates where only submittal numbers match. Click OK. So this time, it removed 5 duplicates. To summarize, this is a very quick method to remove duplicates on large lists of data in Excel. But we still need to be careful when selecting. We need to make sure those removed duplicates are those that we really want to remove.